Good morning, children. Take out to your textbook, page number 123. Page number 123 already I written. Comparison of 3-digit numbers. Comparison of 3-digit numbers. See, you want to compare 3-digit numbers, children. For this, we will use greater sign, lesser sign, and equal to sign. See, this is greater sign, lesser sign, equal to sign. Comparison of numbers. We will do first few examples, children. After we will go to exercise number 4. Now open page number 123. There are two number 3. See in box they given 427. 423. See that the digits in the hundreds place. See in hundreds place 4. Here also 4. Here also 4. In tens place 2 is here. Here also 2. So what you will do? You will go to ones place. Since in ones place 7 and 3. Which one greater here? 7. 7 is the greater. So 7 is greater than 3. So you want to write the number 427. This is the greater number, no children. 427 is greater than 423. Understood, children? This you want to write in the rough note. Don't write in the text. Already they given examples. So I am doing that examples only. So you want to write in the rough note. See, both 3 digits numbers is there. See, in hundreds place here also 4, here also 4. In tens place here also 2, here also 2. So what you will do, you will check the 7 and 3 in ones place here 7 and 3. Which one greater here? 7 is the greater. So you will put greater sign. The number 427 is greater than 423. Page number now 124. Page number 124. Now see children here 638, 632. See in hundreds place here also 6, here also 6. In tens place here also 3, here also 3. In ones place 8, here 2 here. 8 and 2. Which one greater here? See, 8 is the greater. So, 638 is greater than 632. We'll put greater sign here. Next number, 752. Here, 758. Now, you check children. Which one greater here? 7. In hundreds place 7. Here also 7. Here also 7. In tens place, here also 5, here also 5. In ones place, here 2, here 8. Which one greater? 8 is the greater. So, 752 is less than 758. Observe these numbers 567 and 539. In both the numbers, see in both the numbers, the digit in the hundreds place are same. In hundreds place 5 is same. The tens place 6 here, 3 here. So 6 here, 3 here. Which one bigger here? Greater number? 6 is the greater number. So 567 is greater than 539. Understood children? 539. Now we'll go to another example. You write in the rough note children. 2 minutes I will give. Finish it soon. We'll go to another few examples is there. Shall I rub, children? See, the number here, 3 numbers is there. 567, 851, 843. Here, 539, 827, 813. See, in this one, see these 2 numbers first, children. In hundreds place, here also 5, here also 5. Now we will go to, for same, if hundreds place same, we will go to tens place. 6 is here, 3 is here. Which one greater here? 6 is greater. So 567 is greater than 539. Here also 8 is in hundreds place. In both the numbers, 8 is in hundreds place are same. Here also 8, here also 8. In tens place, 5 is there, here 5 is here 2 is there. Which one bigger? 5 is the bigger. So 851 is greater than 827. Here in hundreds place 8, here also 8. In tens place 4 is here, 1 is there. Which one greater? 4. So 843 is greater than 813. Observe now this number, you want to observe this number, children. X684, 384. See, in hundreds place, 6 is there, here 3 is there. Which one greater? 6 is the greater. So 684 is greater than 384. 684 is greater than 384. Like that, you want to do the exercise number 4. Now we will go to exercise number 4. Open your textbook, page number 125. See, already we learned 2 digits now, children. Now we'll go into learn 3 digit numbers. 125, page number 125. Page number 125, exercise number 4. First one, 251 and 272. See, in circle you want to put the greater sign or lesser sign. First one, this one. See, in hundreds place 2 is there, here also 2, here also 2. So you will go to tens place. 5 is there, 7 is there. Which one greater? 7 is the greater. So 251 is lesser than 272. Second one, 395, 359. See, these 2 numbers, children. See the hundreds place. Here also 3, here also 3. Now we will go to tens place. 9 is here, 5 is here. Which one greater? 9 is the greater. So 395 is greater than 359. Third one, 444, 777. See the hundreds place, here 4, here 7. Which one greater? 7 is the greater. So 444 is lesser than 777. Here 764, here 891. Which one greater here? See the hundreds place, children. 8 is the greater. So you will put lesser sign here. 764 is less than 891. Fifth one, 654, 564. Which one greater here? See the hundreds place. 6 is there, 5 is there. Which one greater? 6 is the greater. So 654 is greater than 564. Here 764. 769. In hundreds place 7. Here also 7. Here also 7. Here also in tens place. Here also 6. Here also 6. Now we'll go to ones place. Here 4. Here 9. Which one greater? 9 is the greater. So 764 is lesser than 769. If both the numbers are same, we go to ones number. 652. 650. See the hundreds place 6. Here also 6. Here also 6. Tens place 5. 5. Here also 5. So in ones place here 2. Here 0. Which one greater? Here 2 is the greater. So 652 is greater than 650. 402. Here 421. In hundreds place, here 4, here also 4. In tens place, here 0, here 2. Which one greater? So 421 is greater number. So 402 is less than 421. Sorry, children, 402 is greater than 421. Sorry, this is lesser sign, no? You want to say 402 is less than 421. Now 465, 546. See the hundreds place here, here 4, here 5. Which one greater here? 5 is the greater. So you want to say 465 is less than 546. Now next one, 764, 652. When I left second one, no children here. Here it will come 754. Yes, 764. First one is 769. Which one greater? This one. Next one, 754. 784. Which one greater here? 84. 754 is less than 784. Check the sign, children, for second row, second line. This line, you want to check once again. See here, which sign is there? Lesser sign, greater sign, lesser sign is there. Check it once again and write neatly. When you are writing textbook, no children, sharp your pencil and write neatly. Third one, 428. 428, 982. See the hundreds place, children. In hundreds place, here 4 is there, here 9 is there. Which one greater here? 9 is the greater. So 428 is less than 982. Here 985. Here 785. See the hundreds place, here 9, here 7. Which one greater? Is 9 is the greater. So 985 is greater than 785. 907. Here 905. See hundreds place. Here also 9. Here also 9. Here also tens place. Here also 0. Here also 0. See the ones place. 7 is here. 5 is here. Which one greater here? This one, 7 is the greater. So 907 is greater than 905. 401. 439. See the hundreds place. Here also 4. Here also 4. Tens place. 0 here. 3 is here. Which one greater? 3 is the greater. So 401 is less than 439. 352. 313. See the hundreds place. Both the numbers. Here also 3. Here also 3. In tens place, here 5. Here 1. Which one greater? 5 is the greater number. So 352 is greater than 313. Finish it neatly, children. We'll go to arrange the following numerals in the descending order. You know, no, descending order. Descending order means big to small. Finish it neatly. 5 minutes I'll give to write. Give to write neatly. Now, page number 125 only. Arrange the following numerals in the descending order. Arrange the following numerals in the descending order. Descending order means big to small. First one, 754, 784, 731, 792. Now you want to write first which one big number. In these four numbers, you want to choose big number. See the hundreds place, children. 7 in this number, 7 is the hundreds place. Here also 7 is in hundreds place. Here also 7. Here also 7. So what you will do? You will go to tens number. Here 5, 8, 3, 9. Which one greater number here? 9 is the greater number. So this number we will write first here. 792. We finish this number now, children. Leave it this number. Another 3 numbers is there. You want to choose which one bigger. In this tens place, 5 is there, 8 is there, 3 is there. Which one bigger number? 8 is the bigger number. So we will write 784. Now, only 2 numbers are there. 754 and 731. In that, you want to see the tens place. 5 is there, 3 is there. Which one bigger? 5 is the bigger number. So you write, so 754. After that, you will write 731. Same only, children. You want to see the hundreds place. If 100 place is same, you go to tens number. If tens place is same, you go to ones number. If both the numbers are same, you write equal. Equal to same. Like that only same you want to write. Second one, 817, 830, 812, 843. Which one bigger number here? See the hundreds place, in hundreds place, here also 8, 8, 8, 8. Now we will go to tens place. See, in tens place, here 1, here 3, here 1, here 4. 1, 1, 3, 1, 4. Which are big number? 843. So we finish that number. In these 3 numbers, which one big number? Here 1, here 3, here 1. 3 is the big number. So we'll write 830. See, if tens place, here 1, here also 1. If both the numbers are same, we'll go to ones number. Here 7, here 2. Which one bigger? 817 is the bigger number. After that, you will write 812. Third one, go to page number 9, page number 126. 126. 931, 913, 961, 916. See, in hundreds place 9. In all the numbers 9 is there. Here also 9, here also 9, 9, 9. See the tens place. Here 3, here 1, here 6, here 1. Which one big number? 6 is the big number. So 961 you will write first. Leave it this number. In these three numbers, which one big number? Here 3, here 1, here 1. 3 is the big number. So we'll write 931. I said no, children, in tens place, same, if both the numbers same is there, you will go to ones number. See, here also 9, in hundreds place, here also 9, here also 9. In tens place, here also 1, here also 1. So what you will do, you will go to ones place. Here 3, here 6. Which one bigger? 916 is the big number. After that, you will write 913. This is small, big to small. Big to small. Descending order means big to small. Now we will go to circle the smallest and pick the biggest number. Finish it neatly. We'll go to next main. Circle the smallest and pick the biggest number. See, children, circle the smallest and the tick the biggest number. Already first one they given, no, like that only another 4 sums is there you want to do. See, first one already they given 289, 294, 261, 215. See, if in a hundreds place, see the hundreds place, children, 2, 2, 2, 2. In tens place, here 8, here 9, here 6, 1. Which one big number? Big number is 9. So for that you want to tick. Which one small number? 8, 9, 6, 1. Which one small number? 2, 1 is the small number. 215 is the small number. You want to circle. Second one. 394, 371, 352, 369. See, in hundreds place, 333 is there. Now we will go to tens place. Which one bigger number? We want to see the big number. 9, 7, 5, 6. Which one big number? 9 is the big number. So for that you want to tick. In these three, in this number, which one small number? 7, 5, 6. Which one small number? 352 is the smallest number. Now third one. 111, 170, 171, 117. See the hundreds place 1, 1, 1, 1. So now we will go to tens number. Year 1, year 7, year 7, year 1. See in this number, tens place 1 is 2 is there, 7 also 2 is there. So we will go to, in first we will go to 7. 7, see that ones place, year 0, year 1. Which one bigger number? This one bigger number. So for that you want to tick. Now here 111, 107. See the ones place children, year 1, year 7. Which one small number? 111 is the small number. Fourth one. Four hundred and 28, 824, 248, 842. First you want to tick no children, for that you want to see the big number. 428, 4, 8, 2, 8. Which one bigger number? 8 is the bigger number. But here both the sides are 8 is there. In hundreds place 8 is there. So we will go to tens number. Year 2, year 4. Which one greater? 4 is the greater number. So you are 842. You want to tick. Small number. See the hundreds place. 4 is here. 8 is there. 2 is there. Which one small number? 248 is the small number. Fifth one, 563, 875, 985, 795. Which one greater number here? See the hundreds place. 5, 8, 9, 7. Which one greater? 9 is the greater number. So next 5. Which one small number? 5, 8, 7. Which one small number? 5 is the small number. So you want to circle the 563. Now next main, arrange the following numerals in the ascending order. Ascending order, next main. Small to big. S means small, B means big. First one, 162, 178, 173, 124. You want to write small number first, after that big, small to big. See the hundreds place. One in the hundreds place. Here also 1, here also 1, here also 1. So for that you will go to tens number 6, 7, 7, 2. Which one small number here? 2 is the small number. So you'll write 124 first. Now you in this, which one small number? 6 is small, 7, 7. 6 is the smaller. So 62. In both the numbers same, you will go to ones number. 8 is in ones place. 8 is here. Here 3. Which one small? 3 is the small number. 173. After that 178. Second one, 216. 231, 218, 268. See the hundreds place children. For all the numbers you got 2, 2, 2 is the in hundreds place. In tens place you got year 1, year 3, year 1, year 6. Which one small number here? See, year 1 is here also 1, here also 1. So you'll go to See the ones place. Here 6, here 8. Which one small number? 6 is the small number. First you will write 6. After that 3, 1, 6. Which one small number here? 1, 2, 1, 8 is the small number. Here 3, here 6. Which one smaller? 231. After that you will write 268. Third one. 327, 372, 317, 391. For this you want to write, see, small number. First you want to write small number. See the hundreds place, here also 3, 3, 3. Now see the tens place, 2, 7, 1, 9. Which one small number? 317. Leave this number. See the other 3 numbers are there. 2, 7, 9. Which one small number? 2 is the small number. 327. After that, see these 2 numbers. Here 7, here 9. Which one small? 372. After the 391. Third one, 327, 372, 317, 391. Which one small number, children? You want to see the in hundreds place 3 is there. See the 3 is there. So you will go to tens number 2, 7, 1, 9. Which is small number here? 1 is the small number. So you will write 317. Leave this number. See these 3 numbers. 322 is there, 7 is there, 9 is there. Which one small? 327. After that, 7 or 9. Which one small number? 7. 372, 391. Fourth one. 508, 580, 518, 581. Which one small number? See the hundreds place. In hundreds place, 5 is there. 5, 5, 5, 5. So we'll go to tens number. Once 0 is there. 8, 1, 8. Which one small? 0. So first you will write 508. After that 8, 1, 8. Which one small? 1 is the small. So 518. If in tens side both the numbers are same, we'll go to ones number. See, 5 is there, 8 also is there. So now we'll go to ones number, 0 or 1. Which one small number? 0. After that, 581. Now arrange the following in ascending and descending order. So you want to write next main ascending and descending order. Ascending and descending order. Ascending means what you want to write, children? Small to big. Descending means big to small. First one, 324, 257, 435, 581. Ascending order. First we will write ascending order. After we will write descending order. Understood, children? For this number you want to write ascending order also, descending order also. So see the hundreds place. Which one small number here? 3, 2, 4, 5. 2 is the small number, so we'll write 257. Leave it this number. See the once again 3 hundreds place, 3, 4, 5. Which one small number here? 3. In this number, which one small? 4 or 5? 4. 435. After that, 581. For descending order, you want to write big to small. So you want to write, see, first you will write 581. After that, you will write 435. After that, 324. After 251. See, in this number, which one big? 5 is the big number. After that, 4. After that, 3. After that, 2. Ascending order only small to big. Descending order means big to small. Second one. Page number where it 126. Page number 126. See children, here no place, no. For that you want to write here side inside. Put one line. After that you want to write the answers. Second one. See properly here. Here you want to write. Second one. 217. 384. 195. 412. First, which one will do? Ascending order. Ascending order means small to big. Which one small? See the hundreds place 2, 3, 1, 4. Which one small? 1 is the small number. First, we'll write 195. After that, you leave this number, one number you leave it, children. See the 2, 3, 4. Which one small number here? 2. After that, 3 or 4. Which one small? 3. 412. For descending order, how you will write? First number you will write 412. Second 384. Third one 217. Fourth 195. Third one. Third one we will do this neatly. Third one 506, 406, 606, 306. See the hundreds place, children. Ascending order and descending order. Ascending order means small to big. See the hundreds of 5, 4, 6, 3. 3 is the small number. 306. Leave this number. See these three numbers. 5, 4, 6. Which one small? 406. After that 5 or 6? 5. 506. After that 606. Descending order, how we will write first? 606. Sorry, 506. After that 406. 306. Fourth one. One 172, 384, 294, 415. Ascending order. See the ones hundreds number 1, 3, 2, 4. Which one small? 1 is the small. 172. After that, leave this number 3, 2, 4. 294. After that, 384. 415. Descending order 415, 384, 294, 172. We finished Arrange the following in ascending and descending order. Next class, we will do the largest and the smallest number, page number 127. Now close your textbook, children. Monday, maths test is there. FA1 maths test is there. Already I gave portions. Revision also I gave, children. So portion once again I will repeat. Worksheet you want to practice. Revision you want to practice. Classwork. And tables also you want to practice 2 to 6. Understood, children? You want to practice. Do it well. Don't be confused. If ascending, descending order is there, see the ascending means you want to see the small to big. Descending means big to small. Understood, children? Now write neatly. When you are writing now this one, put one line. See, after the numbers, you put the line here. One, set two. Place is there in the textbook. Write neatly. Thank you, children.